Here on Classic Sounds with JCV on Montco Radio, we have such a large quantity of music on vinyl, CDs, tapes and shellacs, and more. We've got everything from the Beatles, to Bay City Rollers, to Billy Joel, the Partridge Family, to the Fleetwoods, Casey and the Sunshine Band, Chuck Mangoni, The Fifth Dimension, all on album. Steve Miller, The Strawberry Alarm Clock, Tommy James and the Shondells, Queen, all on 45, Bing Crosby, Benny Goodman and his orchestra, and the Crew Cuts, all on shellac 78s, Elvis, the Bangles, ABBA, and of course Dion and the Belmonts on CD, and so much more. So where can you hear all these great sounds and music? Why, of course, Classic Sounds with JCV on Montco Radio. And how do you listen to this? MontcoRadio.com. We have a streaming service there, or you can use the TuneIn app and search Montco Radio. It's an awesome app. So, when does this show start? It starts this Tuesday. Yes, this coming Tuesday. September 19th, 2017. At 5 o'clock. And for now, it's going to be every other Tuesday, and we're hopefully trying to get it to every Tuesday. So, every other week, and we're going to try and get it down to once a week. So tune in so you can hear all these great classic sounds and classic hits on Classic Sounds with JCV on Montco Radio.